Ready to turn your golf cart into a Halloween showstopper? Whether you're cruising in a community parade or just love going all out for spooky season, decorating your golf cart is the perfect way to show your spirit. From wild themes to wicked lighting, here are the most creative Halloween golf cart decor ideas to drive your fright in style. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What's the first step in decorating a Halloween golf cart? Start with a clear theme: zombies, witches, graveyard, haunted circus, or a Halloween color scheme. Then choose your main color palette and materials like lights, fabric, or props. Got your theme in mind? Like this if you're revving up already. What kind of music or sound adds to the effect? Use a portable speaker to play Halloween sounds like howling wolves, creepy laughs, or spooky instrumentals. Music adds motion and excitement to your themed ride. Got spooky tunes? Tap like if your cart's got a soundtrack. What Halloween props work best for a mobile setup? Lightweight props like fake bones, hanging bats, foam tombstones, and spiderwebs work great. Use zip ties or velcro strips to keep everything secure while moving. Ready to roll with props? Tap like if you're loading your cart. What are kid-friendly golf cart decor ideas? Go with themes like friendly ghosts, cartoon monsters, or Candyland. Use plush decorations, soft lights, and hand out candy from themed baskets as you cruise. Cute over creepy? Tap like if you're decorating for the kiddos. What about making a pumpkin patch on wheels? Place faux pumpkins, hay bales, and sunflowers all over your cart. Add a sign that says Rolling Pumpkin Patch and dress as a scarecrow to complete the look. Fall feels on wheels? Like this if you're loving the patch idea. How do I make a witch or haunted theme work? Hang a broom off the back, place cauldrons with glowing lights, and add spell signs. Use black fabric and eerie fog to make it look like witches are riding into the night. Flying witch style? Like this if you're conjuring spooky vibes. How do I add finishing touches for a complete look? Add Halloween flags, fog machines, cobwebs on the roof, and themed garlands. Little details like signs, themed license plates, or spooky eyes on the headlights go a long way. Adding those extras, like this if you're almost decoration ready. How can I use lights effectively on my golf cart? Use battery-powered string lights or LED strips in orange, purple, or green. Wrap them around the roof, grill, and wheels. Lights instantly boost visibility and spooky curb appeal. Let there be frightful light, like this if you're glowing up your ride. How can I decorate safely while driving? Avoid anything blocking mirrors or lights. Keep props lightweight and secure. Don't obstruct pedals or the steering wheel. Decorations should never interfere with control. Safety first, spook second. Like this if you're planning smart. Can I turn my golf cart into a haunted carriage? Yes. Drape black tulle around the top, add LED lanterns, and decorate the front to look like a gothic horse-drawn ride. Use skeleton horses or reins for dramatic flair. Creeping like royalty? Like this if you're going ghostly regal. Can I create a glow-in-the-dark or neon cart? Yes, use glow sticks, blacklight reactive paint, and neon decals. LED ropes can outline your frame and wheels for an electric, eye-catching nighttime effect. Glowing down the block? Like this if your cart will shine bright. Can I add a skeleton driver or passengers? Absolutely. Use life-size skeletons with hats, scarves, or costumes to match your theme. Secure them with seatbelts or bungee cords to keep them in place on the ride. Skeleton crew incoming? Like this if you're adding undead passengers. A decorated golf cart turns heads, spreads cheer, and brings the Halloween fun wherever it goes. Whether you keep it silly or go all out with fright, your rolling masterpiece will steal the show. Love these ideas? Like and stay tuned for more holiday how-tos.